Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Olaide Oluwole. You can call me Ola for short. In this video, I am creating a quick and easy 5-minute no lashes makeup. This is a weightless makeup look that you can easily wear to like your basic parties, to lounge, just chill at home, look pretty and all of that, look put together to do some quick runs. This is a look that you can put together in 5 minutes. Trust me, 5 minutes is all you need depending on your speed. So let us jump right into this video. First, skin prep is important, and so I am using body oil from Slore. Literally, that's the name of this oil, body oil, and I'm just gonna rub this all over my face and body. Next, we can't skip this step. Primer. Yes, we can't. We have to block all the pores and control all the shine. If you have an extra time, don't forget to wait a few moments for your primer to become tacky before applying your foundation. The foundation I am using is Beacham Ageless Easy Blend Full Coverage Oil-Free Foundation, and trust me, this foundation does all that it says it does. I've used it a couple of times, but I'm gonna create a video for you guys to know what I'm talking about. I'm just gonna put that in the right places but not under my eye. Instead, I'm going to apply my concealer directly under my eye. I do this to avoid creasing and excessive oil in my under eye. And I really love this foundation because it matches my tone so perfectly. I love the match with my skin. I'm going to apply my concealer directly under my eye and around my jaw, basically to highlight the places that I want to be highlighted and to just like give me some type of contour and highlighter look. And have it at the back of your mind that I'm doing this method to basically speed me up and to make everything faster for me and to use less product, most importantly. So I just let it get tacky and blend it out. I'm going to take the rest of the concealer on the brush and blend my forehead and jaw. Then I'm going to take a different brush entirely, like a totally different brush, and use it to blend down my foundation because I do not want my concealer shade to mix up with my foundation shade. That is why I'm using an entirely different brush. While blending my foundation, my concealer was getting tacky and ready to bake, and so I baked my under eye with my Sasha Cup baking powder. I just press it in and leave none of the powder on my face. I also use the powder to cut my jawline out, or chin, or whatever you call this part of the face. Then I go ahead with the full face powder indirectly my skin tone and use that to bake my entire face. Excluding my under eye. Everything I do, I exclude my under eye because I want it to remain bright. I added some gloss, draw my eyebrow, and that was it. Now, can you see that you can do this in 5 minutes? So yeah, this is what my face looks like, and that will bring us to the end of today's video. This is the result of our makeup for today. Let me know if you learned something in this video. Don't hesitate to comment if you have any requests for me. I really love the way this makeup actually looks on me because it looks so weightless, and the fact that I can wear it without lashes, I really love that. I really love that. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.